Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live, everyone. Let's get on down to the New York Stock Exchange, where we've got Yahoo Finance's own Jared Blikre on the floor and keeping close tabs on what is going on early in today's tape. Jared, what are you seeing?
That's right. We're kind of looking at a ho-hum day here, but we are looking at gains for the week in all the majors, plus the Russell 2000. And I'm trying to log into the Wi-Fi Interactive. Looks like it doesn't want to cooperate with me. Sorry about that, guys. I have to do this by memory. We see all 11 sectors were in the green as of a few minutes ago. Staples leading. We have the S&P 500 trying to get off the ground here. We have a number of catalysts. Earnings season, of course, over. We have the Fed in the rearview mirror, and we're looking ahead to some economic reports next week, especially in the housing sector. Now, when we think about the huge movements that we've seen in the bond sector, in the bond market, we saw yields back off considerably over the last 24 to 48 hours, and those are coming from really elevated levels. And so that's giving the market a little bit of a respite here, but you have to think if the bond market heats up again, probably going to get another downdraft in equities. It's bond market volatility that's kind of spreading over to everything else. And I have an article going up this morning, Yahoo Finance, for the Yahoo Finance Morning Brief, about bear markets. And I think it's important to realize when we get down this much, which is below 20%, a lot of times the bear market rallies that we see are 17, 18, 19, 20, 25%. And history shows that we have some legs here, possibly, but we need to be careful because these flashy bear market rallies tend to lure in the bag holders.
Well, let's talk about one maybe flashy, maybe not so flashy part of the market that a lot of people are paying attention to right now because they are interacting with it so much. I'm talking about the airlines. We have seen a lot of travel snarls as of late. A lot of people talking about delays at airports, and the airlines are now trying to do something about it, but I don't know that people are going to be so happy about the solution.
Exactly. United just announced that they are cutting, as of July 1st, 50 flights from Newark International Airport. That is 12% of the flights out of there. We've been talking about the pilot strike, not necessarily related to that, but I have been, my Twitter feed is lighting up with anecdotal reports. It's absolute bedlam in a lot of airports out there. So have some more details. Raymond James is cutting its price target on United Airlines to $48 from $62. And they're saying that the sector is probably going to moderate in the second half of the year, going to pick up in 23-24. Nevertheless, we're seeing some weakness in the sector as of late.
Yeah, as desperate as people are to travel, how much are they going to put up with this just abysmal travel experience while they're paying higher prices? You know,
exactly.
It's like that old joke, the food is bad and the portions are so small. All right, thanks so much, Jared.